Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the last lesson, we have learned postpositions used in genitive case. Today we are going to learn postpositions which can be used with all cases and postpositions which are used with basic form of nouns. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also, please like and share this video if you liked it. Okay, first let us see postpositions used with basic form of nouns. Mutta or mutta means up to or till. Orme or idi, throughout or all over. Ijjante athva dante, without. These postpositions can be used with basic form of nouns. Now let us see example sentences using these postpositions. Aye enna illu mutta batte. He came as far as my house. Aye enna illu mutta batte. Yanu bus stand mutta poya. I went up to the bus stand. Yanu bus stand mutta poya. 10 ಗಂಟೆ ಮುಟ್ಟ ಕಾಪುವೆ. I will wait till 10 o'clock. 10 ಗಂಟೆ ಮುಟ್ಟ ಕಾಪುವೆ. ಆರು ತುಳುನಾಡೋರ್ ಮೇ ಪುದರ್ ಪಡೆಯಿನಾರ್. He or she is popular all over ತುಳುನಾಡು. ಆರು ತುಳುನಾಡೋರ್ ಮೇ ಪುದರ್ ಪಡೆಯಿನಾರ್. ಈ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಊರೋರ್ ಮೇ ಪರಡಂಡು. This news spread throughout the village. ಈ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಊರೋರ್ ಮೇ ಪರಡಂಡು. ಈ ದಾಂತ ಯಾನು ಬದುಕಯ. Without you I can't live. ಈ ದಾಂತ ಯಾನು ಬದುಕಯ. ಎನ್ನ ಸಹಾಯದಾಂತ ನಿಕ್ಕು ಗೆಂದರೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಜ್ಜಿ. Without my help you cannot win. ಎನ್ನ ಸಹಾಯದಾಂತ ನಿಕ್ಕು ಗೆಂದರೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಜ್ಜಿ. Mutta can also be used with adjectival participles. Adjectival participle plus mutta. Barpina plus mutta. Barpina mutta. Also pronounced as barpineta. Till coming. In the same way, battina mutta or battineta. Till came. Tinpina mutta or tinpineta. Till eating. ಈ ಲೆಪ್ಪುನಟ ಯಾನು ಬರ್ಪುಜೆ. I will not come till you call me. ನಮ್ಮ ಸೈಪಿನ ಮುಟ ಒಟ್ಟುಗುಪ್ಪುಗ. Let us be together until we die. In Tulu, we have another form to express the point of time at which the action terminates. The suffix enge is added to participles. Adjectival participle plus enge. Malpuna plus enge, malpunenge means till doing. Maltina plus enge, maltinenge, till did. Barpina plus enge, barpinenge, till coming. Battina plus enge, battinenge or bannenge, till came. Akulu bannenge kapula, wait until they come. Akulu bannenge kapula. Yan unden malpunenge untula, wait until I make this. Yan unden malpunenge untula. Yan panpinenge odela poorchi, don't go anywhere until I say. Yan panpinenge odela poorchi. Okay, now let us see postpositions which can be used with all the cases. Attande means beside or apart from or without. This postposition can be used with all the cases. Ninan attande bete yerin leppodu. Whom else should I call apart from you? Ninan attande bete yerin leppodu. Ee attande bete yerullerink. Apart from you, who else is there for me? Ee attande bete yerullerink. Ninardattande bete erigla unen malpara sadhya ijji. Beside you, no one can do this. Ninardattande bete erigla unen malpara sadhya ijji. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next video, we will learn conjunctions. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.